Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Now before we get started, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners on the lands on which we're gathering today. For me, that's the Yagara and Turrbal people. I'd like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging, and extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Just a reminder, sovereignty has never been ceded and I am living on stolen land. Righto. Let's get into it. I'm gonna try and do this like quick, which is not something I'm known for. But hi, I'm Sarah. Did I already say that? I think I did. I'm a plus size beauty and fashion content creator, primarily on YouTube, but I also have an Instagram down below. This spot, it's not a pimple, it's dry skin. And I just like brushed it yesterday and I was like, what's that? And like my skin fell off. So now it's unhappy. So yeah, that's my deal. Subscribe if you'd like to see more from me, like the video if you like it, that'd be nice. But otherwise, let's just get into it. I also apologize for the messy background. I don't know what to do with my background. I'm working on it. Anyway, it is a Wednesday morning before work and I would like to open this box before I do. This is from COLOURPOP. I got an email from them a little while ago that was like, mystery boxes, and I don't know if you've met me, but you can get me with a mystery. It's not hard. The amount of subscriptions that I subscribe to, because I don't, it's like a surprise for me. I'm telling on myself. So anyway, I got this like yesterday and like last night, and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it. And even though it's like not the best day to be filming, I have to work in, I mean, I could start in 6 minutes if I wanted to. I think I'm gonna start like half an hour, so hopefully. But here's my mystery box. Oh man, I thought it would, like the mystery stuff would come in like a separate thing, but it hasn't. Because I bought a couple of extra things as well as the mystery box. I've just had a shower. My hair's in a hair up, okay. Yeah, so there's the mystery box, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 items in it. Plus I bought a cream gel liner in peach fuzz because I to line my waterline with. I bought a moon face stamp because I love the heart one that I have from She Glam. I bought a lip lacquer because it was like $3, and I must have done the same with a gloss. So I'll get those things out. The moon face stamp on the Ritz lip lacquer. This is the Luxe gloss. And here's the liner. So those are the things I bought separately, but what I really wanted to see was actually what came in their mystery boxes. Because I paid, is it a secret cover? So the mystery box itself was 49 Australian dollars. I think this is all in Australian dollars. I think it's in Australian dollars. I hope. So it was like 50 bucks. And that's pretty cheap for a box full of 15 items of makeup, right? But I want to see what it is. Is it worth it? Is the question. So let's dig in. I'm just going to go from the top. The first thing is a Super Shock shadow. This is in the shade Tassel. And is a, oh, that's gonna be way too bright, hey. Let me turn down the lights for a sec. That's as low as it goes. It's basically just silver. Yeah, it's just like a plain silver Super Shock shadow. Oh, excuse me. I have some stuff from ColourPop, but I've never got a Super Shock shadow before. So that's exciting. Oh, we've got something from 4-3 Beauty. 4-3 Beauty is like their skincare line, and this is the So Radiant Brightening Eye Cream. Gotta open it. Ah! What have I done? We better put some of this eye cream on. I think it would be illegal not to. Way too much. This stuff goes a long way. I heard a rumor that eye cream is a just a big ruse. Big old scam. It's just moisturizer. I don't know if that's true, but that's what I heard. Are my eyes brightened? I don't know. But it's yellow, which I think is really fun. and it's a bit shimmery, so maybe that's why they call it brightening. Feels nice, it doesn't sting. I don't seem to be allergic to it so far. So that is nice, love it. Next we have a lippy scrub from ColourPop. Oh my god, my hands are all like shimmery now. This is the Coco Loco lippy scrub. I actually have run out of my scrubs, I think. I can't find them. I love coconut. Oh yeah, that smells good. It's just like a clear balm. Oh yeah, nice fine beads. Beads? I wouldn't recommend eating your skincare, but that is delicious. I like that. I very much like that. It's a nice big tub too. By the Bushel lippy scrub. Oh my god, it's this but in strawberry. I've got 2 lippy scrubs. I'm never gonna run out. I'm really glad there's a mix of makeup and skincare in here. Aha, a palette. Acai baby. Pressed powder, shadow palette, purples. The colors are Morning Bowl, Yogi, Vitamin C, and Chia Seed. Cute. I'm not going to swatch these because I don't want to open it yet. But ColourPop shadows tend to be pretty good, especially for the price. So another one from the same collection. These are obviously like food berry based ones. This one's on the mango. And there's some cute oranges, which I love oranges on the eye. So that is a nice little exciting thing. 4-3 Beauty Blemish stickers! I've been considering buying some Blemish stickers, but I never did. Just forgot. I don't get many blemishes, which is nice. Like, let's be happy about that. But when I do, they tend to be like blind conkers, you know? Big old things in the middle of my forehead or like on my nose. You should see my back though. My girl has back knee. I get pimples on my butt too. Is that too much information? But nobody sees them, so I don't care. I also don't care about my back knee. Look! Oh, they're adorable. It's like a fashion statement. When y'all were kids, were you like me and like would demand my mum buy me fun band-aids so I can wear band-aids to school as like a fashion item? Now we wear Blemish stickers because we're old. There's so many fun things in here. I got another lip lacquer. This is in the color Sidecar. The one I bought for myself was On the Ritz. So On the Ritz is the brown one, and then this is the one that they gave me in the box. So I'm glad they're not the same. I was worried when I was buying this stuff. I was like, what if they give me the same? And I know these were on sale. I don't know if this color was on sale. It makes sense they'd give sale items, but this doesn't all seem like it would be clearance stock or anything like that. Oh, color sticks. I'm pretty sure these color sticks are for your eyes. I don't 100% know, but I've got this cool like dark brown. Check that out. That is nice. Very nice. Blends out like that. Nice. Oh, mascara. I'm so easily pleased. Just level of fun excitement of opening up a box and you don't really know what's inside. This is the ColourPop Level Up Lengthening Mascara. I've never tried a mascara from ColourPop before. Let's have a look at the wand, hey? Oh, it's like a Christmas tree cone. Fiber brush. Meant to be lengthening. I guess we'll find out. Girl can never have too many mascaras. Ooh, 4-3 Beauty Hydrating Mist with hyaluronic acid. There's a dry girl on the go, that's me. I've just done my skincare. But we always need to add more hyaluronic acid. Kind of smells like watermelon. Is very cooling on the skin. That's really nice. I don't know what it's like meant for other than like makeup friendly microfine mist. So I guess you can put, it's not like a setting mist, it's a hydrating mist. So you just spray it on yourself throughout the day. That is perfect because I get so dry throughout the day. I really should just carry this around with me and just like spritz. Amazing. I love this. This is the best $50 I've ever spent. I'm so happy. Ooh. Fourth Rate Beauty's Watermelon Face Polish. Oh, it's like a exfoliating treatment. I don't need to exfoliate right now, but let's smell it. Oh, that's definitely watermelon. Oh, that's nice. Let's just put a teeny tiny bit on my hand. Let's just rub her in, see what she feels like. God, that smell. Fake watermelon. Come back on, computer. I like to have my computer on in the background because it gives me more light. Oh, that is so fine and beautiful and leaves like a really nice glow. Like, look how glowy. Oh, you probably can't see because of the lights. But like, it's really shiny and like moisturized underneath, which is lovely. Because exfoliating can be really rough on the skin, but that feels not rough. Not rough. Certainly descriptive, Sarah. My hands feel amazing right now. A brush! I've always wanted to try their brushes. I got a flat kabuki brush. I've always kind of wanted to buy one of their massive brush sets. I have so many brushes now that I probably should just not do that. Yes, look how beautiful the brush is as well. It's gold and like very light pink at the base of the bristles, and then they're white on top. I don't know why I smelled that. It's a brush. That is exciting. I hear color brushes are okay. You know, they are what they are. Oh, this is the last thing. Oh my god, I've only been filming for like 13 minutes. Oh, this is good. This is a palette. I'm loving it from the outside. It's called the Plush Like Me Pressed Powder Palette. Oh, this color scheme on the outside, I hope it's what's on the inside too, because this is a bit of me. It's got velvet. It's got velvet. I was just telling my husband yesterday when we were couch shopping, like I sat in like every velvet chair because I'm obsessed with velvet. It's just a little bit fancy, you know? The magnetic pull as it opens. Ooh. Again, the sniff, Sarah. What are you sniffing? Comes with a nice big mirror, and the colors are amazing. We've got some purples, we've got some shimmers, we've got some like a dark brown, which is always handy. We've got plenty of neutrals. This is a palette that you don't need anything else. You're done. You can just take this with you on holiday or whatever. You don't need anything else. I love the all-in-ones when you like don't have to like use two palettes to get a look you're looking for. Oh, I love that. Look how pretty these details are in the mirror. Oh, not loving that one of the shades is called Deb. Okay, this was a nice thing to end on. Oh wait, we should probably swatch a couple of the colors. I was just so obsessed with the packaging, I like almost forgot about the shadows themselves. Let's do this like dark purple, dark brown, and this like purpley shimmer. Ooh, looks nice on the fingies. As expected, that shimmer is amazing, and the mattes are actually like really pigmented. I will need to like test out the mattes, because sometimes with ColourPop's mattes, they don't come out as dark as they are in the pan. So like you put them on your eye and you're like, I expected more color payoff. Like I expected a dark brown, but it's just like a medium brown. That's happened to me before and makes me really sad. But these shimmers. Why do I keep smelling myself? Gordy, why do I keep smelling myself? Come here. Oh my god. I need makeup wipes in this room for this. I can't wait to put this shimmer on my lid. Come on. Why are you just standing there all weird, man? What are you doing? Anyway, that's my whole haul. I paid $50 and I got way more than $50 worth of products. I will do a calculation. Oh, hey, sweetheart. Off camera before I upload this and put it on the screen here as to how much everything was actually worth. If I bought it all individually, because I have no doubt that it'd be more than $50. Hey? Up. 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 Good boy. Oh, yes, it's very hard. So I'm very, very impressed. And if I decide to do a try, like a testing, I might pop it at the end of this video. But you might just see me use this stuff on like TikTok and Instagram instead, because your girl's gonna get to work. It's 8:15. So thanks for joining me for this actual short video. I did it. You're all wonderful people and I really enjoy doing YouTube. So thank you for watching my videos because it keeps me going. It really does. Every time someone likes one of my videos or subscribes to my channel or watches, like, my watch count goes up, like, it makes me happy. Gives me that little serotonin boost. As does cuddling my doggy. Hey? Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go start work. Thank you very much for joining me. I love you all. Have a great weekend or day or whatever, wherever you are, whenever you are. Bye! Oh God! Gordon just moved me across. Is that right?